don't got no words.
For what?
This food.
It's just that good.
Yeah, I don't got no words.
I don't got no words. What up, to the gang, to the squad? We're back with another video, and today we trying some new foods. Ain't that right, babe? Where you at?
Yeah.
You dark in there. We trying some new foods today, so we gotta see what the hype about. Her little trailer right here is called Erica's Soul Food. It's period. Like I said, she was cute. Oh, there we go. Her number. Hold on, let me zoom in for y'all. On her social media.
Oh! What's up? You alright? Hey, can I get the Chuck Davis special? Can I get the Chuck Davis special?
Chuck Davis mama.
Yeah, I told her, I was on the status. I'm going up there and telling her, can I get a Chuck Davis special? She's gonna say, the only thing I get is banana pudding and chicken turkey.
Bro.
We on a vlog with it too. We on a vlog with it. Now here we go right here. Erica's Soul Foods right here. Make sure y'all check in. Everybody in Piney be talking about them. Hey, you alright? I was just about to take a picture. I'm vlogging. I ain't wanted to throw you on there. You be like, I don't look right. She be like, I don't look right. I know Twan on your. Twan on there talking about, grab me some fish. Y'all, I'm about to look at this menu and I'll be right back. A whole $100? You gonna spend a whole 100? The whole 100. What? Shout out to my boy Carlos, my YouTube. Say what's up.
My name is Carlos. I'm Mexico. I like it, my friend.
Yeah.
It's good.
Tell them what you about to get. What you about to order?
Yeah. Oh, no, I don't care.
Oh, okay.
I'm speaking English at me.
Okay. Eat. What you about to eat?
Yeah, for my friends.
Oh, for them over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
¿Está grabando?
Another one.
Viva Mexico.
Yes.
Hola.
And I'll be right with y'all in one moment.
Okay.
Hit me, please.
Oh, okay.
No, that's why I ain't never put it on you.
I'm gonna cut that
Put
out.
it on the truck, though. But
I did. I got the back part and this part.
thank you.
Ebony got me. Ebony, can I use your badge? All right, what up, YouTube, y'all? We back with another video, with a soul food video from Erica's Soul Food truck.
That one's yours.
And today we about to try this soul food.
That look good.
Can I take some?
I got chicken, macaroni, and yams.
And we got ribs, macaroni, and greens.
Oh, and it's
Me and
hot.
Naya. We ain't gonna eat all this.
Then it's super hot. And I got some Sprite. Well, y'all can't tell because
It's Sprite.
I have to take this label off because
It's a mo.
ain't no free promo no more. Now, if y'all want to give us, what is it? If they want to,
You want a macaroni?
some free promo, y'all can hit us up. Hey, look.
Your chicken look good, babe. I said your chicken look
I
good.
just picked it up and started falling apart.
Ooh. Can we taste one?
Please. Pretty please.
You gonna put it on your plate?
You want some green?
Yeah.
Hold on, y'all. We just trying to get each other something.
Hey, it's chicken.
Bussy? I can tell by your face. How's that taste?
No, this one. It's the macaroni. It's still on me. Cause I can't get all of it. Okay. You want a spoon for it?
Oh,
No, it's a fork. Oh, thank you. Okay. Oh, what's that? Bust that food.
Lord, please bless the food that you're about to receive. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Now you pray too.
Alright, let's hear.
I'm tasting the green first.
No, give me one of these. Then I'll give you another piece of chicken.
Oh, I didn't know you weren't red, babe.
You know I'll eat pork, but I might still by try there's some soul food. Let me see.
Yo, I think there's 5 of them, so yeah, both got two.
I'm not gonna eat that one.
That chicken good.
Mm.
I'm tasting the red first. I'm at second.
No, I'm not even capping.
That chicken busting.
Look how it's falling off the bone though.
Y'all,
This is my dinner.
I've been ready to eat.
Damn. The ribs is, but it don't even taste like pork. Is these beef?
I don't know. Yeah.
What's her name again? What's her name again?
Erica.
Erica, is these beef?
Hold on, make sure it's Erica.
This boy's busting. Hey, bro.
Oh, it's in the camera. I think it's Erica's. Erica's so
Yeah, it's Erica soul food.
Okay. Her greens, girl, you put your foot in the greens.
This chicken is bussy.
I ain't even got my, where my fork?
Oh, sorry.
You got plastic where? That chicken tastes like, it's better than Popeyes.
And it's still hot. And we drove like 15 minutes back home. And it's still hot. Let me try these greens, yeah.
I don't want to.
Them yams busting.
Yeah.
I'm good. They sweet enough.
No, if they were sweet, you know, I like my yams sweet. But these,
They sweet.
they're 7. That chicken, I mean that rib a 10.
Mom, look.
Dang, now you get them ribs a 10 too, cause she got the bone clean. Them yams is a 10. 10. Now if I have some dressing, that'd been good. The greens 10, everything's busting.
Yeah, these macaroni good.
The ribs is real tender. Look at that.
And you ain't have to wait too long. You waited about 7 minutes. That's faster than the regular restaurant.
Yeah. And it's a good price. Especially being soul food from scratch. That's what the thing is on the truck. Yeah, girl, you did your thing. You did your thing. That's good.
Hey, Chuck, I really went up to the window and told her, can I have a Chuck special?
She laughed.
Yeah, she was laughing.
Because we're going to get some banana pudding and bacon.
And turkey.
Yeah, that chicken is good. Dang. I can see it was good to you too.
Good old soul food, mukbang.
Y'all, the food was busting.
Video coming very shortly. Once we get done.
Yeah. This ain't gonna be long. They're gonna do the editing and it's gonna be done 20 minutes. We put a little music in here.
Shit, you ain't gonna have to make dinner. I might say something.
I know, I'm gonna eat some noodles or something. I ain't gonna eat that much. Me.
It's so good. The chicken's so good that I ain't gonna put no hot sauce on it.
Who got the hot sauce?
Right here. Oh yeah, it don't need it.
I actually forgot.
We got cornbread.
Wait, what?
Oh, I forgot about that too.
You want a piece? You want a piece now? Let's get that one. Yeah. That's good.
Hey,
Yeah, that's that good. That's that good grandma cornbread.
I don't got no words.
For what?
This food?
It's just that good.
Yeah, I don't got no words.
I don't got no words. I got words.
You're talking like that.
It's a bee. It's a bee.
let them eat. They want something too. Mike, quit doing that.
Babe. I'm gonna sting you.
You see we recording. Let me.
Yeah, I got
Okay.
words. That food was so good. I'm losing my voice. Yeah, it was good. I'm full too. I'm just a vibe out here.
What? It's only $23 for this whole thing.
For a meal.
Yeah, $23. $46 for two. Can't beat it.
Yeah. First you get full off this. Then you split it. You like your greens? You like your
I
greens?
forgot about those.
You want them? Let me have them. They did this yesterday, bro. Now they're gonna keep pulling each other's cars and shit. You got that part out, but you did this yesterday?
Yeah, I saw them yesterday.
You want them?
Yeah. You know green. Yo, the greens is good. I love the greens. I love me some greens.
You want your cornbread?
I'm gonna get full. I just want the greens. Dang, now we on real.
I ate them all.
I ate them all. You got two, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
And that's the one.
But I
You got a
gave you
piece
know,
of chicken, don't you?
I gave her 2 pieces of chicken.
I know.
Her chicken's still right there.
But I ate the other one.
This is our lunch. / dinner. But we ain't gonna eat too much for dinner though. I'm not gonna. I want something light. Y'all, this green's so good. It tastes like asparagus.
And everything seasoned just right.
Yeah, it ain't too salty or not salty or not like flavorful. Everything got flavor.
It's not under seasoned or over seasoned.
Yeah, everything got flavor. Literally everything.
I'm saving some of this for tonight. Excuse me.
What you saying? Your sides?
Mm-hmm.
The ribs so tender. I just sucked it off the bone.
I don't know. Y'all comment down below. Tell us another food truck to try. Right now, this the best one.
Yeah.
Good looking Chuck.
Shout out to him, cause
Both of them.
this is good.
Hey y'all, we told y'all to comment. Y'all, we told y'all to tell us some more food trucks, but right now this the best one.
Oh.
It's the best food truck so far. Eric the Soul Food.
Yes.
Oh my God. It's good.
Too good.
Ugh.
Oh man.
Ain't nobody got nothing left.
Just crumbs.
Not nobody got nothing left.
But yeah, y'all, I'm about to say the rest of this. Edit this to give to y'all. We drop a video every day. Comment down below and tell us what else food truck to try. Right now, she in Pontiac right now. So
Mm-hmm.
Do you want my mac and cheese?
no, I got a lot. Got
Just leave it on there. I'll eat it later.
It got the juice too. I'm not done.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you make an account. And then click the subscribe button.
we gonna put her link, her Facebook name somewhere on the screen, right? Yeah, right up in here somewhere. So yeah, catch us next video, y'all.
Peace.